Welcome to the Life's Necessities and Luxuries radio show. Today our host, Dawn Marie Mutel, your life's commodities broker, will bring you fashion, beauty tips, business acumen, teach you where to find the life's greatest necessities and the finest luxuries. Now, here's Dawn Marie.
Hey there, it's Dawn Marie Mutel. Welcome back to another episode of Life's Necessities and Luxuries. Well, since I'm going on this theme of everything that's going on in the month of April, it's also decorating month. And that's one of my favorite things to do. You know, where you live totally impacts your mood, okay? So whether you're living in chaos, which is what I feel like I'm doing right now in my home, and I'm getting a little like, I'm done with it, and I need to get some spring cleaning done. But spring has sprung, and it's time to get spring cleaning. So now's a great time to do a little bit of decorating in your home and make you feel refreshed and alive and happy to be home. But when you spend enough time at home, as I do, I like to really feel comfortable, have it as my little domain where I could walk in the door and it smells good and I have candles that I put on and it really makes me feel very relaxed and peaceful. I get to play some great music and I'll invite some friends over. We may have a little snack to eat or just sit around and tell some jokes and laugh and catch up. But there's no better time to redecorate than in spring because I find that, you know, everything is blooming and so you can give a good cleaning, get rid of all the dust bunnies that may be hiding underneath the bed and give it a nice clean. If you maybe want to change your bedding, it's a good time. There's so many sales going on in all these different stores, whether it's at Kohl's or Macy's or Target, as they say, Target. You can find some really great deals, or even Big Lots is one of my favorite places that you can find some great little things for the house on a very, very small budget. But whether you do the work yourself or you hire a professional to do it for you, this is the time to get it done. And even if you think about, you know, I can't afford to hire a cleaning crew, you may be able to hire somebody for just a couple of hours to do the heavy lifting, just to get it started, and then you can continue the rest of the way. So invest maybe $50 and you can get a couple people to come in and boom, before you know it, they're cleaning the windows. You can see out of them how pretty. But get your creative juices flowing. Maybe you want to pick up a new window treatments. Now, window treatments can be a little bit costly, but if you have some old material that's laying around, whether that's sheer fabric or organza, or if it's some lace, you can make your own pretty little window treatments very inexpensively and very quickly. Or whether you want to do a whole new kitchen renovation, the choice is yours. You know, you have budget to do it. I say go for it and enjoy it. And then at the end of the day, you can sit back and enjoy your labor of love and feel really good about your home. But be sure to bring plenty of friends and family in so that you can share the love and have a great time. Well, happy decorating, and let me know what you've done. So I'd love to see some photos. If you want to add some comments, I'd be really happy to see what you do. And if you like this episode, please share the love and subscribe and leave a review on iTunes. I'd really appreciate it. This is an ad-free podcast, so, you know, whatever you can do to help, I'd really appreciate it. And remember, if you do like this episode, share it with your friends and family. And remember to live peacefully, happily, lovingly, and successfully. Until the next time, namaste.
If you like what you hear, tell someone. If you like what you hear, be a dear and pass it on. Don't forget to stop at our website, www.lifesnecessitiesandluxuries.com, for more tips, tricks, tutorials to live a very necessary and luxurious life.